In our previous part, we have completed our post. Now sidebar, okay? So let's go. In our sidebar, we can see first have a search box, okay? We can see search box, search this block, okay? You can see sidebar. We have write just for example, okay? Now first take a div, suppose class equal search box. I write it as example. You can write anything, search box. Then we can see search box and a submit button, okay? So first take a input field, input suppose type equal text, okay? Name equal, suppose I write blank, you can write it, and place holder equal to, we can see search this block, okay? Search this block, okay, and copy and paste, and this type will be submit, type equal to submit, and here will be value. Here we can see search, okay, SERC, search. Refresh your browser, you can see our search bars is appear. Now we can see share in social media and some Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, okay? So take again another div, suppose we can comment out here, search box and here, okay? Take a div, suppose class equal to social media, I write it. Then we can see in our social media some link, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Pinterest, okay? We can write it into link, href hyperreference, then link close a, then first Facebook, Ctrl plus D to double the line, then Twitter, Ctrl plus D to double the line, then we have LinkedIn and Pinterest, okay? LINKED, LinkedIn and Pinterest, okay? Pinterest, 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 okay? So and now we can see our categories, okay? So we can write, take a div, class equal to suppose categories, C8 categories, and div close. Here first we can see have a heading categories, so we can take a div class equal to suppose I write top heading, okay? You can see in our template it's have a social sharing media categories and latest post and image, okay? All kinds of same design, you can see same design, sharing social media categories, latest post, okay? All are same, okay? So we can use same in our social media. We have don't write it, just here write suppose div class equal to suppose top heading, okay? Close the div and here write h3, suppose I write h, and here write, we can see here sharing social media, okay? Sharing social media. Now top heading we can just copy this, and here we can write categories, okay? We can see categories, so here just write categories. We can see I have declared a same class, okay? Social media, this is the social media and this is the category, okay? But heading class, we can see class top heading, class equal to top heading, same, okay? As a result we can easily design it, you will understand later. Anyway, you can see categories, then ULLI, okay? Then we can take some list, suppose div class equal to, also we can divide this into another class, suppose class equal to social link, I write it social link, and tab, okay? Social media, and here have two div, first is share in social media and second is social link. Okay, you can see social link, and third is categories. You can see categories, div class equal to top heading categories. Okay, so here write suppose close the div and class name suppose categories category title. Okay, just write ul and ul close, and here write suppose li. Okay, we can see here PHP, HTML, CSS, web design, web development, etc. Okay, so here I can PHP Ctrl+D to double the line, CSS Ctrl+T to double the line, and web design, web development, suppose I write it as an example. Okay, programming C#, and suppose Java, suppose I write it as an example. Okay, now our third is latest post. You can see latest post. Okay, so declare a div class equal to suppose I write latest post, close the div, and here write suppose our heading, top heading is the same, here will be latest post. Okay, latest post, and then post. Okay, you can see it's as like the same post. Okay, here latest post will be the same post, so we can copy from our post page. Okay, single post, just copy the single post, copy the single post, here just write the single post. Okay, you can see single post, just change the class name. Okay, if you do not change the class name, it will take as like the post page design that we have written. Okay, latest single posts. Okay, but our post page class is single post. Okay, and here we have write latest single post. Also we can write sidebar, sidebar single post. Okay, anyway, then our h2 and paragraph and page. Remove some text. Okay, here we don't need a lot text, and now just copy. Suppose here we can use 5 post, press 1, pause, one, 2, 3, suppose 4 and 5. Suppose I write 5. Okay, and then our latest post, and then our advertising. Okay, we can see advertising, our latest post, and here div latest post, and here. Okay, just comment out it latest post and here. Okay, save, and now here our advertising class equal to suppose sidebar ads. I write it as an example, and div close. Okay, here will be just image, an image tag, just copy the image. Okay, just image, advertising image. Okay, we will change it later. Then our image gallery. Okay, so write a div class equal to suppose image gallery. I write it div close, and then as like our top heading, I am copying for quickly showing to you. Okay, but you will check my tutorial, pause and play. Okay, you will easily understand. And then take another div, suppose class equal to suppose images galleries. I write it, this is our main class and this is our subclass. Okay, or sub div. You can see image gallery, and here you can see div close, here need a close. Okay, our div is and here. Okay, just comment out here and here image gallery and here. Okay, so here just use some image, copy the image. Here we can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 in our project template 6. Okay, Ctrl+D 2 3 4 5 6. So we have successfully completed our markup, HTML markup in right sidebar. Refresh your browser. You can see this is our sidebar. Okay, now just CSS. Okay, first we can see search button. Okay, search box. Before writing CSS, we need to catch our all selector. Okay, I mean class sidebar. We can see we have written sidebar. Are some mistakes. You can see double third bracket. Anyway, here comment out here, suppose sidebar CSS. Okay, sidebar already taken. Move to other view, single post and sidebar. We have right sidebar, then search box, then we can see in our search box have a two input type text and input type search. So copy the search box and write input, okay, type equal text. Okay, input search box. If you do not use this class, it will common, its design will be commonable. Okay, whole page will be designed the same because is the common declaration. Okay, but when you write the class name then the input type, then it will specifically design this field. Okay, I hope you understand. Search box, then the search box input type equal to text and input type equal to submit. We can see Ctrl+T to double the line, here just write submit. Okay, and now our social media, we can see our top headings. Okay, top headings will be common. Okay, so here we can write one time top headings, and top headings h3. Okay, we can see top headings and then h3, and then social link, we can write social link, we can write it below and we can write it at a time. Okay, you can see it will, this is the common CSS because we know our 3 or 4 top headings have. Okay, anyway, you can see social link, here social link, and then Ctrl+T double the line, we can see social link, then have a link. Okay, A, so write A, and then our again categories. Okay, categories class, categories, and here top headings we have already written, so we don't need to write again. Then categories title, into our categories title we can see ul and li. Okay, so here write categories ul, Ctrl+T to double the line, categories ul li, Ctrl+T to double the line, categories ul li a. You can see categories ul, categories ul li, and then it will be linkable. Okay, you can see in our page it will be linkable. When click the categories, it will be redirect the categories page. Okay, so here you need to write link, href for reference, and close the link. Okay, just paste and close the link. You can see a here, and to web design, web development, here will be close, here will be close, here close, here close. Anyway, you can see I have write ULLIA, and it will be must a hover color. We can write hover. Now you can see latest post. Okay, latest post, and then top heading we have write already it, so don't write it again. Sidebar single post. Okay, sidebar single post, latest post, then sidebar single post. In our sidebar single post we can see have h2a. Okay, so Ctrl+T to double the line h2, Ctrl+T double the line h2a. Okay, then again it's have a and img. Okay, sidebar latest post a, Ctrl+T double the line a img. You can see here right, if I move to other view you can see easily understand, it's our latest post section. Okay, you can see, but here top headings we have write it, and then again we have write it sidebar single post, then H2A, then again A img. Okay, you can see if I down it, you can see easily understand. Okay, then P. Okay, all are same, so just write one. Okay, and then it will take the all designs. Anyway, now we have completed. Now sidebar adds, then adds img. Okay, it will be linkable here. Just write, you can see, move to other view, you can see sidebar adds. Okay, in our project template, this is the sidebar adds. It will be linkable. Okay, so here href hyperreference equal to this is, and close link. Okay, I hope you understand. Then A first, then img. Okay, sidebar adds A, then img, then img. Okay, here you can see image gallery, sorry, dot, cause it's our class name. Then top headings we have write already, image galleries. Okay, here we can see image. Okay, all image will be linkable. Sorry for my silly mistake, all image will be linkable. Okay, ahref hyperreference. Here you can see in our project page all images will be linkable. When click the images, it will redirect the image details. Okay, image link close, just paste. Okay, and copy paste. Anyway, you can see, then image galleries, then Ctrl+T to double the line, then will be link A, Ctrl+T to double the line img. Okay, you can see img. So we have successfully catch all selector. Okay, CSS selector, but here you can see we need use our default code, latest post or sidebar start here. Okay, just comment out here. Here will be, you can see here will be left side. Okay, left side, and here, and our sidebar CLR. We need to use CLR our all class. Okay, just CLR. I hope you already know about it. CLR means our predefined class, overflow hidden. Okay, and for this input social media, here just paste all class. Okay, already pasted, single post CLR already have, and here top ads image. This tutorial is too much important for beginners, so check it attentively. Okay, and here. Okay, CLR. Now refresh your browser. We can see our all text into the below. Okay, cause we have used the CLR overflow hidden, all over the hidden. Now we will style it our wish. So okay, in the next tutorial I will show you with the design. Okay, I don't like to make the long tutorial. Okay, and it will disturb you and you will lose your attention. Okay.